Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Norwegian Viva 2-bedroom Haven Suite cabin. When you first enter the Norwegian Viva Haven area, there is a private access elevator that leads you to all of the Norwegian Haven cabins. You do have to have your key card access handy to access the elevator, so make sure you have your key card with you at all times. That way you can access the Haven Suite. As soon as you walk into the suite, the first bedroom will be on your right. As you can see, this is a queen bedroom. You do have 2 bedside lamps with USB charging stations attached to each one. Then you walk into the private bathroom, one of 1 bathrooms in the suite. And as you can see, the detailing of the bathroom is absolutely beautiful. As far as the tile is concerned, it does come with in-bathroom shampoos, conditioners, and body washes. So if you did forget those things, they will have those handy. The birthday girl was not in the suite when we got there, but she was gracious enough to let us tour her cabin. When you walk out of that bedroom, that's bedroom number 1, you will run into a mini bar. This mini bar does have a fridge and a coffee station as well as a cell phone for the concierge. Then you walk into the master bedroom in the suite, and as you can see, you have a beautiful view of the balcony. You also have a king-size bed with a telephone on the side so you can call for any services you may need. There's also plenty of USB outlets and light switches and bedside lamps for reading. Next, we will walk into the master bathroom. This is a full bath with double sinks, which is amazing. There's plenty of storage areas for your towels. You also have storage areas for any of your products. There is a clothesline in the shower just in case you need to hang anything. And my favorite part of both of these cabins is they have a water closet, so someone could be taking a shower and then the other person could actually use the restroom if need be. That is an option. It does have a private door. The next door will be a full walk-in closet. This closet has plenty of shelving. It has a full-length mirror, and it also has a safe so you can keep your personal items. Have a touch thermostat, and it also controls some of the lighting and some of the features in the room. Next, we're going to walk out into the family living space, and I love this because you also have a dinette table inside. There's a full double sofa bed. This cabin does sleep 6 people. Just in case you do have 6 people in the cabin, they will have access to their own private TV. Now, my favorite part, of course, is the balcony. As you can see, they have a sofa and a love seat so you can sit down and relax, and a dining table. Now, the host did let us know that you can, with the concierge that you get with this cabin, order your dinner in. You don't have to go out to any of the dining areas, and they can set it up outside on the balcony at the dining table where you can sit down and just have dinner and watch the sunset. So I think that is amazing. Now, this cabin did have a little bit of a obstructed view because of the slide that was there. Now, we were there right at the same time they were bringing in the desserts for the evening. They do, instead of getting canopies, they get desserts, and their concierge was there. Anytime they need them, anything that they could think of that they wanted, he was there to bring them. Even drinks. If they wanted drinks delivered to their cabin, they were able to get it. Next, the host is going to take us to the Haven Lounge just to give us an experience and see what the Haven Lounge offers. So as soon as you walk in, there is a bar, there are plenty of seating areas, and there also is a concierge desk. So once again, plenty of seating areas, and there's also reading material there. So just in case you forgot to bring something that you want to read, they were able to access any kind of reading materials, books, or anything like that. The host did let us know this is their favorite place to sit because there was hardly anybody ever in the back of this area. So they love to come over here and relax and sit and just get a little peace and quiet. They're taking us to the Haven Restaurant and Bar. Now, you do have to be a Haven guest once again to access this area, but the concierge was very nice to let us just take a peek at the area. And there are specialty menus available for Haven guests as well. To the Haven Sun Deck and Bar area. So this area was probably my favorite part because you do have a more private experience where some of the other parts of the ships were very crowded. So if you wanted to have dinner outside, you could do that. There was plenty of seating. There were plenty of loungers, umbrellas, and cabanas. So you could always find a shaded spot to sit and relax and read a book, take a nap if that's what you would like to do. But also the area was never packed. So the host let us know that was one of their favorite perks of having the Haven Suite book is that they can come out here and have a less crowded experience and just relax and enjoy the ship without the crowd and be able to access the pool. So one of their favorite parts to come in the morning, as you can see, our host Daryl does have a cane. He did have a pickleball accident, so he stated to me that one of his favorite places to come very early in the morning was the sauna. So this is a sauna that he would come and visit while his wife enjoyed the pool, and as you can see is a infinity pool at the back of the ship and the edge of the sun deck. So he said he would get up early in the morning and come and visit the infinity pool and the sauna, and then once the crowd got up and moving, he was able to go on about his day because he actually was able to spend time alone in the pool and just kind of meditate and relax. Haven bar area, as well as more seating dining options. There's more cabanas and seating with some shaded umbrella areas. Next, we have the concierge desk. This is a place that you would actually visit if you needed any assistance with any booking of dining, shows, you wanted to have some meals delivered, drink packages, or if you have any problems with your cruise, this is who you would visit, and they can help you out with any kind of services that you need. Special shout out to our hosts, Daryl and Eileen. Thank you for allowing us to tour your Norwegian Haven suite. If you need assistance booking your next cruise, feel free to reach out to us at parkersonthego16@gmail.com and we can help you book your next cruise adventure. If you like more Norwegian Viva content, click on one of these videos.